Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Extreme sports such as skydiving and skiing are very dangerous and should be banned. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this view? Sports have always fascinated not only the players, but the spectators also worldwide, especially when these are full of thrill and adventure. Consequently, their risky nature arises questions on their existence. The opponents are reluctant to permit the sports as these may cause accidents, so they want ban. To start with the importance of extreme sports, these sports attract the viewers who want adventure and the players who want to perform without thinking about their detrimental effects. The participants get opportunities to challenge themselves, overcome fears, and experience personal growth. For example, skydiving can boost confidence and create a sense of achievement, while skiing can improve physical fitness and mental focus. Therefore, the positive side of these sports cannot be overlooked, which is full of benefits. Moreover, these sports are a medium to attract the spectators who come from different parts of the world, which ultimately make a huge contribution to local economies, particularly in regions that rely on tourism. Moreover, the people get a chance to strengthen the community ties. Therefore, banning them may lead to economic losses for businesses and communities dependent on such activities. On the other hand, the severe injuries can be the consequence while playing these games, as these carry risks. Accidents during snowboarding and whitewater rafting can result in severe injuries, and the reasons can be equipment failure, harsh weather conditions, or lack of experience. In extreme cases, these can be life-threatening for the participants, or if the accidents happen, then these put unnecessary strain on healthcare systems and rescue services. In conclusion, sports are for the purpose of fun, and sportsmen play these as they have the right to make their choices. Banning is not the solution, rather measures can be taken so that these are played under supervision of the experts. Therefore, the safety protocols must be implemented as well as equipment must be checked to minimize the risk. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.